Welcome back, book buddies. Today we are going to read a Hey Duggee book, The Train Badge. Duggee is showing the squirrels his train set. It's amazing, says Happy. Woof woof, replies Duggee. It has taken Duggee a long time to build his train set. Duggee knows all about trains. He has his train badge. Did you make these sheep, Duggee? Asked Norrie. Rip. These trees are springy. Boing. What do these bits do? Snap. Can it go faster? Shouts Roly, pressing a big red button. Click. The train whizzes round the track until Duggee presses stop. Aww. Duggee teaches the squirrels about train signals, reversing, and picking up passengers. But the squirrels just want to play. They hear a noise outside. Stomp, stomp. It's Henny. Henny loves trains. Stomp, stomp. Would you like to see my train set? Asked Henny. Duggee really wants to see Henny's train set. Here is my train. Henny's train is much bigger than Duggee's. Wow, gasped the squirrels. Can we play with it? Asked Tag. You can't play with it, says Henny. You have to play in it. Choo-choo! All aboard! Everyone jumps on the train. We're moving, cheers Roly. Look at the hills, look at the track, look at the duck, hear it quack, clickety-clack, clickety-clack, quack, quack. Look at the cow, hear their bells jingle, look, it's a castle, look, it's Lord Fingal. Jingle, jingle. Up the mountain they travel so slow. Over the top, down we go. Whee! Clickety-clack, clickety-clack. The train takes them into a colourful jungle, through a dark tunnel, and back out into the sunshine. We're at the end of the track. Well done, squirrels. You've earned your train badges. Now there's just time for one last thing before the squirrels go home. Duggee hug. The end. Thank you so much for joining me again today. Do come back again so we can read more books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye.